Hey guys, so this time I'm going to make two kinds of birthday presents for my wife. One is chapstick, and the other one is a massage oil bottle with preserved flowers. I just reached 2 million subscribers and I wanted to appreciate all you guys and my wife who's been helping me grow this channel. This is the first time I made something non-food, but I hope you can still enjoy it. First, prepare any flowers and plants you want. In Japan, we have a special product that dyes flowers and preserves them at the same time. But you may not be able to find this in other countries. I will list other methods in the description box. But it might be better to just buy already colored preserved flowers anyway. Prepare a sheet of aluminum, or aluminum, however you call it, and place it onto the flowers to soak them completely for a few days. Next, I'm going to make chapstick with sakura I collected. Blend the pressed sakura into powder. There are many ingredients you can use to make chapstick. This time I'm using beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, and Vaseline. You can use any food coloring to create your favorite color. You can adjust the hardness by changing the ratio of beeswax however you want. The more beeswax, the harder it becomes. Melt them in hot water like this. Prepare any chapstick cases you like and make sure the tube is fully retracted. Pour the wax in the case. Wait for it to cool down for about 10 minutes and done. Now let's finish the other present. Take the flowers out and place them on a drying rack. Use any flowers you like and form them into one piece. Then push it onto a sponge and glue the stems together. I will get rid of the sponge, so I didn't glue it to the sponge. I'm using thin bottles, but you can use any shapes you like. Put any decoration you like in the bottle. Then put the flowers in. Finally, pour in the mineral oil. This time I'm using the one you can use for skincare and massaging. And done. I made this for you. You ready?
Okay.
Okay. Ta-da! Happy birthday!
Oh, what is it?
What is it? It's your present, Rachel. So,
it's so cute.
These are actually mineral oil, massage oil. So, I wanted to give you. Okay, from the first place.
Oh, they're so pretty.
I wanted to thank you because without your help, I wasn't able to come this far, and thanks to your help, I was able to hit 2 million subscribers, which is crazy. So I wanted to appreciate everyone who are watching this video and subscribe to my channel, and also you. And since your birthday it was coming up, I thought I would make this for you too. And this is the sakura pink I made from the sakura.
You made these?
Yeah, I made all these. And this is...
You made chapstick lipstick?
Since your lip is always dry and you're obsessed with chapstick, I thought I should make it something like that.
Oh my gosh, what is it made out of?
You'll see once you watch my video.
These are so pretty.
I wanted to give you flower, but flowers die quickly, so I thought I should make something that lasts for a while too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really like them.
Yay! Thank you guys so much. And thank you again so much for subscribing to my channel. I just hit 2 million, which is crazy. I'll keep doing my best and making more videos. Bye! Thank you!
Bye!